going on, y'all? This is part 2 of the video. We'll be going over the interior of the Jeep Gladiator. James is going to show it inside here. I installed a 6.7 designed mount for my GoPro for when we overland and then camp. It also is great for blogging. Or vlogging, not vlogging.
This is a steering wheel.
But it is. It's heated. I have heated seats, got the auxiliary button in there. Sway bar disconnect because it's a Rubicon model. If you see in the passenger side window, I installed some cheap Amazon, just the 550 cord wrap so we can get on top of the Jeep if need be, if we need to pull ourselves in. In the back, I am slowly working on a rear seat delete. So far I've taken the seats out. James and I are making the platform as we speak, so look out for that video and we'll go over what we did and how we're doing it. Here we have a Jackal. I'm sorry, I'm butchering the name. Anyways, the hot tap outing system kit. What it is, I run it off a 13-gallon water tank that's in there, and then you have the propane system to a hot water. It's a hot water system. It plugs right into my battery bank, which we'll be going over here in a second. That mounts in. It's super simple. Everything is quick connect, disconnect. So you just pull it apart here for the hot water system, and it's just that easy. So it makes it super nice for being on the road.
Where's the shower head?
Oh, where is it? Where did you put it? Here it is.
I give it a demonstration.
Did you like it? Anyways, and I have a rear hatch right there. I had it installed on that AT Habitat. Going in here, once again, the solar panels from Rich Solar. So they've been great. We've only had an opportunity to test them out in the winter so far, and they've pulled in, they're 300 watts altogether, 100 watt panels. They've pulled in what they said they would, right close to it, and it's doing pretty good. That runs to, as you can see right here, system, and then I ran it in through here, the wiring, and into my solar battery bank, which is a BLUETTI ACP 200P, or AC 200P, sorry. That runs to my fridge. Here I have an Iceco VL60. It's a single zone. It can be a fridge freezer. It goes all the way down to 0 degrees, and I think it comes up to like 50 or around there. 55 degrees, I think it is. I'm sorry, I can't remember.
Did it come with this?
No, it technically is an accessory you could add on. I just do it so I don't use as much as the battery. I could see if you had it at home you wouldn't need it, but with us out on the road and everything, and of course being in Florida, needed the extra insulation. As you can see, we have some of James's deer that he shot. We'll have a video on that soon, so look out for that here in Florida. Parted up, and it makes it easy for traveling. I have just some cheap car hangers from Amazon. They have Velcro on the back, and then I ran just some U-bolt clips on there, or U-clips. And then there's a little track right here that came with the AT Habitat, and it's great for having all of our hunting needs. Our hand wipes, scent spray, vacuum, everything you see there. What else do we have back here? We have some mesh netting just in case, extra stuff there. Power cord in case we do have short power somewhere, if it's been too cloudy and we have to charge this thing up. Moving over to here, we have a diesel heater system I made. It's a cheaper Chinese, they call it a Chinese diesel heater off Amazon. Buddy and I built this, just ran it together through a metal box, just an aluminum box to keep it weatherproof. That runs a fuel line, attached a 10-liter tank on the side of it. We attached that, ran it through the side of it. And then that heated our tent in Arkansas and did really well. And that runs right to the battery bank also, and it runs off of that. And we kept the tent, what, like 60 degrees? 60, 70 degrees the entire time we're out there?
Yeah, like 70 degrees.
So it actually works extremely well, which I'm super satisfied with.
I was just in my undies.
And then that runs into the tent. I plan on eventually getting a nice one instead of the Chinese diesel heater. I know there's quite a bit of faults in the Chinese diesel heaters. So I plan on installing it in here somewhere, probably back in that right corner, just so we don't have to carry that thing around everywhere we go, because it does take up a lot of space.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. I'm gonna pop in here and show you how we get in and out of the AT Habitat. So this is the easiest way to do it. As you can see, I'm 6'2", and you can stand up. As you can see, you can stand up perfectly fine in here. I still have, you know, another 3 foot of room in the ceilings. If James wanted to lay in there, he could. And then it's 18 feet long from front to back. Go back through here. I'm going to pass this up to James. Yeah. I'm too old to be jumping. I don't know if it's worth mentioning, but I have a couple bolt locks from Bolt, just like everything else, which is super neat because I can just run my Jeep key in there. They match to my Jeep key. And I have one there for the tire, just extra little reassurance of it. And then I have one on the back of the rig system right there. So.
Oh, the lights.
Oh yeah. With the AT Habitat, it came installed with lights in and out, and it plugs right into my system here. You got USB ports here, car lighter port. If I need be, I don't like to run anything out of there just in case I don't want to kill my battery since it's hooked to the main battery. Open Sky Overland, y'all were awesome, and I do appreciate everything you did for me and taking your time up there in Bozeman, Montana. So I think I've shouted out to you a couple times now, and y'all keep up with us on social media, and we appreciate it. That's all I can think of for right now. A few more things I want to do. I eventually want to put some shelving back here, just so it's a little more organized than what it is. I don't like all the stuff on the ground. It'd be nice to secure it a little better than what it is. And then I've already talked about wrapping it, and then the heater system inside of it.
And the new bed.
Ah yes, I ordered a new bed from Open Country. Can't think of the name of it. I think it's Open Country. And it's going to go up there. It's a self-inflating mattress. I can't think of the name of it at all. And that'll be installed in there. That one in there is good, but it's a little hard. My hips were kind of killing me after 14 days in Arkansas. So we forgot one thing. The bed rug I installed back here. It's a Velcro system that attaches to the bed of my Jeep. I did that, and it has I think it's like 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch foam in there, and it's great in the knees.
I was about to say, it's pretty. I didn't realize this didn't come with the Jeep. It's pretty padded.
Yep. So I installed that myself, just ran in there. All these projects I've kind of DIY'd with the solar panels, the heater, and everything. And everything's paid out of our pocket. We're not sponsored by anybody. Don't have any affiliation with anybody. So everything we're doing on our own. It's been a process. But that's about it so far. That everything I've done to the Jeep. So, but keep looking out for our other videos and like and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it, y'all.
And if you want to see a video of Dan using that, let us know.